that, and you get mad. There, Toad.
Maybe who's been working on most of this?
Lizzie, stop splashing. I'm watching.
Why are you caring about a toad?
Where's Toad?
It's a toad.
Right there.
Hold on a second. Yeah, the big toad. The Toad Castle. Do-do-do-do.
We can make those two separate rooms now. All hail Springfield. What do toads like to eat?
I don't know, crickets.
Algae.
Why would they want to eat algae?
Guys, a lot of stuff likes to eat algae.
For the finishing touch, his mustache.
He doesn't need no mustache.
Come on, Mr. Toad.
No.
You have to wear it.
No, I don't. I don't feel... They're making him wear a mustache.
You guys, don't do that. That's just torturing him.
Tommy's videotaping this.
Yeah.
And I got a little whip.
Stop.
This is his. Bad, Mr. Toad. No climbing the walls. Here, I wanna play a little game. No, bad, Mr.
I'm not gonna hurt him at all,
good,
I
Mr.
swear.
Oh, that
Holy cow! That's pretty cool stuff.
No,
Stop
stop
touching
touching
the
him.
videotape.
You guys, stop touching him.
Yeah.
Man.
Stop.
Stop.
Bad boy.
Brendan,
Guys,
I'm trying to
just
video.
take this whole thing because why does it matter?
Guys, stop it.
Don't step on it. You worked so hard.
Hey, stop. You're getting all the seaweed. Oh, she broke it.
You're gonna step on him. Stop it.
Oh, she broke it. This is gonna be good for YouTube.
He just